How to log in into your Breezy HR account. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Breezy HR account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up a web browser. After you open up any web browser, simply search for Breezy HR login. After you search for it, there you'll find the website for Breezy HR. So head over to this sign in option and you'll get prompted to app.breezy.hr/signin. After you're there, if you don't have an account, you can simply sign up for free from here, or you'll get the option to sign in if you already have an account. You can sign in with your Google, your LinkedIn, and your Microsoft account. So you can choose whatever you want, or you can simply use your company's email address and then password. There's also an option to simply reset your PIN if you have forgotten your password as well. After you type in your email and then your password, tap on sign in, and then you'll get logged in into your account. And it's basically that simple. And yeah, that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also don't forget to like the video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye.